Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. So guys, as you all know, recently I started Gemini series. It is the episode number 6. So in this video, we are going to do project on audio. So previously, we have done project on text generation, document processing and vision. In the vision, we have done 2 projects, image and video. Coming to the audio, we are going to do one project on this, like audio to text. When you give an audio, it will give the text as a response. Got it? So guys, before getting started, I'm requesting you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that like button. Got it? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, before getting started, we have to see the audio capabilities, like what Gemini model can do with the audio. Got it? So let's see the description. Gemini can respond to the prompts about audio. For example, Gemini can describe, summarize or answer questions about audio content. Got it? So when you give an audio, it can summarize, it can describe what is there in the audio, it can summarize what is there in the audio, and also it can answer to the question. For example, let's consider an audio. In that audio, a female girl is talking. So you can ask a question, can you identify the voice whether it is a male or female? It can give you answer, it's a female. Got it? Coming to second one, provide a transcription of the audio. For example, you have given a audio. It will convert it to the text. You will tell the model, take my audio and give me transcription. It will give the titles of the audio. Got it? Then the third one is provide answers or a transcription about a specific segment of the audio. For example, let's consider you have 5 minutes of audio. You want to get the transcription of the audio from 2 to 3 minutes. In between of 2 to 3 minutes. So it is going to give only that content to you as a response text. It is the audio capabilities that model can do. Now these are the supported formats. So let's see the supported audio formats. You can see we have 6 formats. Model can support these 6 formats. WAV, MP3, AI, FF, AAC, OGG, FLAC. These are the 6 audios that model can support. So in our project, I'm going to take MP3 files only because it is a famous audio file that mostly people are using. Now let's come to the technical details of the audio. Gemini represents each second of audio as a 25 tokens. For example, 1 minute of audio is represented as a 1500 tokens. So guys, let's consider 1 minute audio, 60 seconds. 1 second equal to 15 tokens. So for 1 minute, it is going to take 1500 tokens. It is a simple theory about audio. Gemini can only infer response to the English language speech. So when you give audio, it will give to the English. The audio must be in English only. Then only the model can understand. Then Gemini can understand non-speech components such as birdsong or sirens. See guys how beautiful it is. It can understand sirens also and bird songs also. And the maximum supported length of audio data is in a single prompt is 9.5 hours. Gemini model doesn't limit the number of audio files in a single prompt. However, the total combined length of audio files in a single cannot exceed 9.5 hours. You can send 100 files. It doesn't matter. But the length should be less than 9.5 hours. Got it? And then Gemini downsamples audio files to 16 kbps data resolution, because when you give the high audio samples, but it is going to downsample that. Let's consider you have given 1 MB. It is going to downsample it to the 500 kb. Like that it is going to do. If audio source contains multiple channels, Gemini combines those channels to a single channel. For example, you have sent 5 audio files. In the first one, the audio is low. In the third one, audio is high. In the fourth one, audio is simple. In the fourth one, audio is average. The average level, and the remaining 2 are same. So it is going to combine all together into a single average sounds. Got it? It is the specialty of the Gemini model. So guys, let's begin the project. So before diving into the project, you have to create a API key. So I'll leave a link in the description, or else you can directly go and search aistudio.google.com. You'll get this window. Then get API key. You have to create your API key. So guys, I'm repeating this API key creation in every video. You have to select a project. Previously I have created one project. I think in the third or fourth video I explained how to create the project. Here you have to select your project and then create API key in existing project. See, it has created this API key, but I don't want this API key because previously I have created this API key on September 13th only. So now I'm going to delete my API key. It is not required for me. Now you have to create one .env file. In that .env, just give this Google API key variable name as it is. Then give equal and then type your API key like this. Got it? Then only it will work. With the single quotes also it will work, but just give what I say. So before diving into the video, So guys, before coding, you have to install this package. Pip install -q google -generative AI. Then only you can able to interact with the model. So import os and .env, load.env. These three lines of code is only doing the. So guys, here you can see I'm importing os .env, .env.load.env. With the help of these three lines, I'm going to get my API key from the .env directly. Because here I'm not showing my API key. I'm hiding my API key in the file. With the help of .env and os, I can directly get my API key here. Got it? And then I'm importing from google.generative AI as Gen AI. I'm importing this package as a generative AI, as a alias name. Then genai.configure API key. You need to give your API key to configure the Gemini generative AI. Got it? Then these are the parameters of the model. The temperature, which adds the randomness, and the top probability, and the top key. These are the maximum tokens that model can give as a response. In the first videos, I explained these concepts in detail. Now, I'm taking one variable model equal to genai.generative AI models. So here I'm taking flash model. Previously we used 1.5 Pro, but here I just want to use flash. Model generation config equal to I'm going to give this configurations. Got it? So the model initialization has completed. Then response equal to model.generate content. Then I'm passing my prompt. So it will goes to the model directly. Print response.text. So let's see what it will do. So guys, you can see it is giving the response. I asked this question, who is the author of Python programming? It gave the answer. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Got it? You can see it is a response that we got from the model. If you can see this response, then you are successfully following my video. The next step is we just need to upload the audio file. Audio file name. 1 second. Audio. Here you need to pass your audio file path. Let's run this. Uploading audio file. The audio file is got uploaded within 5.5 seconds. Now we are going to ask question. Can you summarize the audio? The audio was about Gemini and its capability to respond the prompt about audio. It can provide transcription of audio, provide answer, transcription of audio, answer question about it, or even just summarize it. However, it cannot generate audio output. See guys, in the audio, I just converted text to speech. I just took this information and then I gave it to the some AI tool. It gave me the MP3 file. Because I just want to give you the clear-cut example that what we are getting. So guys, here if you know about audio file, then only you can able to understand what is happening in the model. Got it? So guys, when you understand what is there in the audio, then you can able to validate the response with the audio file that you have given. If you don't know what you have given in your audio, then we can't validate it. So I got this response. Got it? Here I just took the video file. It doesn't matter, you can take audio also. Because in the previous episode I explained video only. That's why I have took that code here directly. So you can see we got this response. Now we are going to give one more question to the model. Can you give me length of audio file in minute and seconds? I can only process text, not audio files. Okay, let's ask this question. Length of given audio data. It is not giving the length guys, but it gives something messy. It gave nothing guys. It just gave the response from the model. Okay, let's leave. Now I just want to get this content. Transcript content from 20 seconds to 30 seconds only. Okay, I can provide transcript audio. Just give me the audio file. 1 second, what's happening? So guys, you can see it give the response from the given content. From 20 to 30 seconds, it is the content that we have. So now let's see the token count. It is a token count for my audio. So what we have saw in the starting description, for the 1 minute it is 1500 tokens. It's around 1 minute 30 seconds I think. So that's why it gives this many tokens. Now let's ask this question. Generate a transcript of the speech. It gave the complete transcript from audio to text. It is a complete text that I have given in my audio. So it gave from starting to end as it is. So guys, it's a very simple project. You can directly upload the file and then chat with the model as a prompt. Let's understand the code. We have given the prompt genai.generative AI models. Then we have given our model. Let's give the config also and let's see the response. So we have given this config as well and then respond. Same, we are passing the file this file which contains the audio, and the prompt, request tokens, request options, timeout. It is a timeout for sending the request. Got it? And then after getting the response, we are taking the text. So let's see what's there in the response. It is a response. From this response, we are taking only the text from the model. Index 0, safety ratings. It is a complete response that we got from the model. Prompt token. We have given this many prompt tokens, candidate token. And then total token count. Total we got this many tokens. Candidate token means it is our input. We gave this one. It is a 40 tokens. It is going to consider. So guys, it's a very simple and easy project. So guys, we are done with the project. If you like my content, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please try to give the comments for my videos. Got it? In the next video, we are going to see the long context. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video.